and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Yona Fernandez here. Hope you all are doing well. I'm doing absolutely good and welcome to another new vlog that is going to be the feast vlog, the nativity of Mother Mary. I am all set. I started my vlog after getting ready because I didn't want to run late and then mess up everything. So first things first, what I did was got ready today and then I started with the vlog. Chris is already gone, even dad is already gone. And this is my neighbor Eric and mom is yet to come. My brother Cyrus is somewhere, he's still getting ready, so we are just leaving them and going. We'll be taking part in the procession that is actually near my house itself. From there we take those blessed crops and then we go to church and then the mass and all of that begins. I don't know if y'all can hear the band sound. It is because it's quite close to my house. I'm waiting. My outfit, I'm just wearing it is more like a salwar suit, not exactly salwar suit. You can wear it as a kurti set also. It is of the Georgette fabric, so it's going to be kind of hot for me, and that's the reason I've tied up my hair. And like how my makeup has turned out, I don't usually wear makeup, but today as I was applying, I thought I'd do very minimal, but it turned out to be good. Do let me know how do you like my look. So this is how it's going to look. I'll definitely show you all a vertical section later on, which is not possible now. Mom is walking here, getting a basket of flowers of Chris. She's sprinting and walking. Even she's sprinting. Kitle, that is the basket. And yeah, even she's wearing a salwar suit turned into a kurti set. She doesn't want to manage the dupatta and all of that. Even I wanted to do the same, but it looks good with the dupatta. So anyway, let's walk fast. There will be a short prayer service where a few of them gather at that place. Followed by that, the procession. The procession also isn't too long. It's just till the church. Once it reaches the church, there will be a short service, and usually during the novena days, we offer the flowers after Mass, but on the feast day, it is done before the Mass. And after the festive mass, sugarcane is distributed. Usually sweets will be distributed to all the children who bring basket of flowers, but on the feast day, sugarcane is given to children as well as adults.
One hour later.
I came home and I was, shooting some of the reels, so I haven't changed it. Rest all of them have changed. You can see Chris. And we came here because it didn't really rain so heavily. It rained a little bit, not that heavy as to how it rained earlier. But you can see a tree has fallen down here. It's a cotton tree, and on the other side, it is light pole has also fallen down. So here, no electricity. People have to cook. Obviously to grind and all of that, because obviously it is feast. Preparations are yet to be done. I don't know what's going to happen, but it wasn't that heavy rain also. It was just a rain. Probably the tree was weak or something, I guess. कितले घालताय भितर
7 गले मग
7 for whom?
म्हाका गुतू ना ते
This is लाख नासतना घालचे. This is a blessed crop and my mom is काय म्हणतात मग grinding दडीता. My mom is दडीता. She दडीता and घालते कंचाक.
पिठो गत्ता सही बिने
Yeah, she is not grinding it, pounding, I think, with the mortar and pestle. I don't know, bro. I forgot. I can't remember English these days. I'm growing old. Whatever. I'm drinking it with paisam.
पायसम who
Then
prepared
what?
पायसम
You have to prepare, man. Then who drinks milk and all?
you want you drink
Hey.
otherwise don't drink
We are lactose intolerant people who can't drink milk. And these are the idlis that we have to take to Ajji mane. Illi undu, ಮತ್ತೆ illondu. ಅಷ್ಟು idli undu. And this is my dad's favorite chocolate. For those of you who don't know, it is Bend. Dadine.
राव साहेब बिने दडीता
Adi.
Palway the candle.
Palway. पिओ निजले मडाडान ಬಂಗಾರೂಕನಾ I thought what you know I'll keep the phone and all of us will drink together but my dad being dad ನಾ ಕಾಲ್ ಪೊಟ್ಟ ದೂದು ಗೋಪಡೆ
Bugünkü idealci ben babası bir dakika.
You have to tell what all we have. Not now. We are setting it now. No, once you are done, you will tell. Okay.
What is everything? Tell me.
Huh?
What is everything? Tell me.
I will tell you first. Then on cam you have to tell. Okay? Done. How is the full atmosphere today? Starting from here, then we have people here, all full house full. My grandpa is annoyed. Namaskar. Kale? Now Ayana will explain, tell what all we have got today for the veg menu. Start.
This is rich guard.
Rich guard. Bitter guard.
This is lady's finger. This is cucumber. This is rich green jam. This is
Chickpea.
then what is this? Aloo dent curry.
That is done. Then rice.
Idli.
Paisam. And this is my aunt serving for my grandparents. Start, people, start. These are all the leaves that are set over here. People are already sitting. Wait, I understand. Come on. Ladies on duty. Mama, काल इडली देऊन येताय. पुरा देऊन येतात. काल लढा, समोर. पोस्ट लंच डेजर्ट आज डेजर्ट ना आज पूरा मुझको भूखा है खाता पड़ेगी